Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect a boundary wire to the charging station in Yardforce X50i. And to do this, first you'll need to take a look on the back of that charger. Here you can find the slot F and slot B. So the entry way from where your lawnmower will enter needs to go on the F side. You just need to cut out some of the plastic from the wire and place it in like that. Then secure the slot. Next is a B, and this one goes from this side. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.